researched was what the primary business was, what the business does, and the problems that Superapps solve. So where it came from was in the early 2010s in Chinese and Asian markets. It came from WeChat, which was the first super app ever created, and which only had messaging, digital wallet, food delivery, and taxi bookings. Tencent is the primary business of where that originated from, and then it only sprouted from there. The business, it offers an e-commerce platform that allows businesses to sell products and services directly within the app, which leads to increased sales revenue for numerous businesses across the entire thing. And super apps also offer opportunities to monetize through in-app advertising. And then some problems that this would solve is services that provide everything all in one app, so you wouldn't have to go find other apps because that sometimes gets difficult because you lose where you put stuff. It reduces the need to switch between multiple apps for many reasons, enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty, very appealing application to users, and it's just ultimately easier for everyone all around.
I will be talking about how a super app works. Super apps are powered by, it is powered by a software called GenXS, which is a cross-platform knowledge-based development tool designed for devices, applications, and platforms. And GenXS uses a native code in order to load the application simultaneously. Now, unfortunately, the United States hasn't been the original country or region to discover what GenXS is. It has actually been Asia, more specifically China. And the US has not been able to make a so-called successful super app, or to be more precise, Asia's level of a super app due to its economic and environmental conditions worsening over time. And especially with the amount of competition in the market with all these mini apps in North America.
Hello everyone, today I want to talk about the impacts of super apps by studying its impact on the customer. Super apps offer easy user experience by combining many services into a single platform, including centralized payment management and integrated customer service. However, concern rise regarding data privacy due to increased dependence on single apps and potential for unwanted advertisements and notifications as customer cannot mute them. Another thing is the impacts on the suppliers, and suppliers revolutionize business to business transactions and by easy inventory management, and they also boost their customers to reach their clients and also offer insights to customer preferences, integrated banking services, and drive competition. However, dependence on a single platform poses risks for suppliers as if something happened to the super apps, like server breakdowns, supplier have to pay for the risks. Um, Another thing is impact of the society. Super apps are transforming marketing by offering efficient marketplace platform. It also provide opportunities for the small businesses, but monopolizing industry, which is a risk. There, moreover, cultural norm could be influenced by the widespread adaptations, and also we have to provide regulations for data and security privacy to protect potential harm for the society as a whole.
So I did the ethical considerations of super apps. So the general idea, a super app is just a multifunctional platform that offers core features and other accesses within the super app to other mini apps that the users can access. This has gained a lot of wide popularity, but has also raised some ethical issues. The two I'm going to talk about are data privacy, security, and the use of AI and algorithms. So for data privacy and security, it pretty much talks about how the super apps collect a large amount of data that the users use from like their most frequently used apps. However, if the information were to get into the wrong user or into the wrong hands of another person, the user's privacy could be violated and that user's personal information could be used for things that they are unaware of, kind of going against the whole idea of the purpose of the super app. And the other issue is the use of AI and algorithms. So the super apps do run on artificial intelligence and algorithmic platforms, since each user can personalize their own platform and their own experience, but it leads to algorithmic bias, and the user within that algorithm will only see like based upon their frequently used apps. So it kind of creates this um, discrimination towards what the users can see and what they can't see, and they won't have access to all of the apps due to this algorithmic bias that is created.